Hello, welcome my dear student, and very good morning all of you. We learn about this week prepare crossover cable and straight through cable using UTP Cat5e cable. We are discuss here identify cable according to EIA/TIA standard, clarify crossover cable and straight through cable last day. Today we discuss about identify tool and equipment. Today objective is identify tool and equipment. We want to prepare crossover cable and straight through cable. We learn how to create a straight through cable and crossover cable tomorrow lesson. But today we discuss about what are the tools and equipment for the cable design. First tool is a crimping tool. This is a very important tool. We are created by crossover cable and straight through cable. Terminate the RJ45 connector end of the cable. We want to use crimping tool. Crimping tool is a different type of crimping tool in the market. This tool have a connect RJ45 connector and RJ1145 connector. This is a 8-pin connector and 6-pin connector here. This tool using we have crimping RJ45 connector end of our cable. Crimping tool are various collection of devices join material or component by pressing them together and creating seal or crimping. One of the most common used crimping tools is the attachment of the connect to the end of the electrical device. We use this tool tomorrow. Today identify only this tool. Next tool is a wire cutter. It's a wire cutter. This tool use cutting the wire. We want to length of cable. We cut in measure in the length and cut our cable. This is a common tool. And very different tool is a wire stripper. We want to remove cable outside the plastic material. Our UTP cable have inside 8 conductor and outside plastic material. We want to remove carefully outside the material, not a damage inside 8 position conductor. We want to remove very carefully this tool. Different type of tool in market. This is one tool. This is another tool. We want to one tool only. Remove outside the conduct material in our cable. A wire stripper is a small handheld device used to strip the electrical insulation from electrical wire. Another tool we want to check our cable. We connect the two terminator end of the wire, crossover cable or straight through cable. We want to check our cable properly work. We want to LAN cable tester. This is a LAN cable tester. It has two parts. One part have a switch and indicate power on indicate bulb, and another part remote part. Master part here, this here, remote part here. This two part we remove remote device, remove the this mountain area and use different phases. This tool use crossover cable or straight through cable check. One end connect the master part, other end connect the remote part. When we switch on this device, indicate the bulb. Our UTP cable have 8 conductor. This 8 conductor correctly connect to the RJ45 connector. This indicate sequence 1 to 1 to 2 etc. Crossover cable indicate another way. That is a straight through cable. We learn how to check crossover cable tomorrow. Today I discuss about only cable tester. Cable tester use 9-volt battery inside the master panel. This is the equipment we want to RJ45 connector. RJ45 connector have a pin 8 pin position. This is the 8 pin, and this connector connect to our cable. Cable have a 8 conductor. Terminator RJ45 terminator has a 8 pin position. This means RJ45 connector or 8P8C connector. Crossover cable or straight through cable we want to prepare. One end use one RJ45 connector, other end use another RJ45 connector. We connect this cable using TIA 58A standard or TIA 58B standard. We learn about last day what are the standards using create this type of cable. Other equipment is a RJ45 booster. This is a booster. Our RJ45 connector protect this equipment. This equipment rubber material in the manufacture. This cable, our cable. This is a point of RJ45 connector. This is a RJ45 booster. And see this picture, all student. This is a clip, RJ45 clip. This is a boot. Protect our RJ45 connector. Finally, we want to cable. Cable category, you know about learning about last day. What are the cable category? We use cable category 5E or 5E6. This is a 5E cable bundle. Twisted pair cable are two types. Shielded twisted pair using outside the lab or outside the building. But unshielded twisted pair use commonly inside the lab or inside your office or industry. UTP cable are the most commonly cable used in the network and have become closely identified as a Ethernet cable. We want especially 1 meter or 2 meter, 3 meter or by the market or cable bundle. We arrange the whole network lab networking. We want to cable bundle 1 or 2 or 3. Sometimes we want to less cable length. We want to buy less cable length. Okay. Today we discuss about identify tool and equipment. These are used for tomorrow because tomorrow we prepare crossover cable and straight through cable. Today I finish this lesson. We will meet tomorrow next lesson. Okay. Thank you very much. Goodbye everyone.